after the Industrial Revolution, and also in the second of the war, the population of the human has been increases. The increase in population have a very impact effect on the soil. So, on the one side there is a huge demand of the agriculture production, and the other side the settlement and also some other construction systems, they demanding more and more land. So with the Industrial Revolution, the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has been increases, especially in the last century, from the 280 ppm up to 420 ppm. The carbon dioxide concentration increases. The world global temperatures has been increases. As a result, the water precipitation has already been changed, and the soil degradation has increased, and as a result, soil quality has been declined. So, in order to keep the food security and the sustainable agricultures, we need to reconsider about the soil. When we say the soil is not only producing the food for the human, also it is supplying an ecosystem services, human food supply and animal food supply and fibers, and also the stabilization of the world. And the soil is the biggest pool of the carbon. So that's why, in order to keep the soil quality, we have to increase the soil organic matter content. This means we have to increase the soil carbon capacity. How we can manage the soil carbon capacity? We have to have a cover crops, and the cover crops are fixing the carbon to the soil, and the carbon fixation is increased also the food of the microorganism around the rhizosphere area, and they are helping to increase the biological soil quality, biological soil fertility, biological soil the health. So that's why we have to reconsider about the soil and the soil function, how we can increase this. In the present times, our knowledge is asking us to consider, to focus on the soil biology, and to focus on the different plant species has already when we go to the natures, you can find that the different plant species and the natures, they are helping each other. They are rehabilitating. They are the part of the medicine for the soil health and organisms. So that's why we have to increase the biodiversity. We have to increase the cover crop species, and also we have to have a rotation system. And then we have to have a mulching systems. We have to have a less irrigation, less fertilizer, less herbicide and pesticide application, and also more and more agroecological treatments. So we have to consider and reconsider about the agroecological approaches. And agroecological approaches, we have to use more organic material and organic fertilizer, biological fertilizer, to increase the soil biological diversity, plant diversity, organism diversity, and the animal diversity in the soil. They will increase the capacity of soil biological health, and also make a soil very quality as a result, and it will have an effect on soil ecosystem services. So that's one will make the soil increase the food security